How to add a photo on a video in CapCut. First of all, launch your CapCut application in your mobile device. Now tap on New Project. Now from your gallery in your device, you have to choose a video where you want to add a photo to. For example, I have this video right here. Tap on Add from the bottom right corner. Now once you land in the edit page, there you can see your video on your timeline. So in order to add a photo, navigate to the bottom of this interface. There is a menu bar. From there, tap on Overlay and again tap on Add Overlay. As you can see, again you are on your gallery piece. So from here, tap on Photos and then choose a photo that you want to add to your video. Then tap on Add. There you can see this photo has been added. You can resize with the help of your fingertip and you can move it wherever you like to place it in your video. Now if you want to make your photo sync with your video, you can move your photo from the timeline at the beginning of the video and that's going to sync just with the video. If you want to edit your photo, there you can see you can add a split, you can splice, or you can add animations as well. In order to add animations, tap on Animations and from here you can choose the animation for your photo. And once you're done, you can simply export your project, and that's how you can add a photo on a video in CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.